Hey guys, so today we're gonna embark on some snow day fun. Since 2 days now it's been snowing like crazy, so we're gonna do the most reasonable thing there is to do and try and attempt to build a snowman. I'm not doing it alone. I've got help with some friends, so we're gonna try our best to build a snowman. All our GCC kids, this is our first time building one, so wish us luck. Compressing, we tried to make our first ball, so we're gonna take a gamble here and try to roll it. Hopefully it catches on. Maybe we should take more of the base. We're gonna try doing that now. Hopefully we can get it to roll at least a little bit. On the bright side, we got into better snowy areas, so it should be much easier. Yeah, I think we need a little bit of water here. Good enough. Ours is much more compressed. Maybe we should make it a little bit more compressed. Or do you think we should just make giant balls here? Another one.
That will be easy.
Much more easier. Let's try that. Change of plans. I'll make the big one. You want to make the middle one?
Yeah.
Okay, Raiju. Why don't you make the tiny one? So yeah, that is our new game plan right now. We're gonna compress this circle full of snow, and Vaishak here is gonna compress that circle full of snow, and Raiju's trying to compress this circle full of snow. So hypothetically, we could put the medium one on top of the large one and the small one on top of that. So, ഇച്ചിയും കൂടെ കംപ്രസ് ആക്കണം തോന്നുന്നു. All the experience making dosa. Yeah, I believe y'all can make it now. This is it. Y'all got this. Let's go. should probably also go and help. എടാ സോപ്പേ നീ പിടി. ഈ സൈഡ് റൈറ്റ് നിൽക്കുന്ന സൈഡ്. ഇതെന്താ ബാരവിൻ്റെ സാധനം ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒരു ഫ്രോക്ക് ഇട്ട സ്നോമാൻ. ഇത് നിർത്തട്ടാ. Still in progress. I'm gonna keep it next to the headphone. We just need to get buttons and the nose. So we're trying to put the final piece of our snowman. Fingers crossed. Alright. Let's go. We wanted to make a snowman, but I think it's ending up being a very beautiful snow woman with a fork. We can try to change that. So I think right now we're trying to compact the joints so that it sticks a little bit better. You know what, with the shape right now, it looks kind of like Ava from Wall-E if we trim out the base. The shape looks exactly like that. Do you see it? Ava from Wall-E. With the shape. We're gonna try putting the arms and nose and eyes later on, but right now I think this is quite a success. Success. We finished the basic model. We're gonna try putting the arms in. Okay. by doing this. We're almost done. We're just trying to find some rocks for our snowman to make the eyes and buttons. For some reason, everything is covered in snow. This is a usual place that I come to walk, but everything's covered in snow. I can't see anything. I gotta figure out stuff. There should be, how do I put it, rocks and pebbles there, but we tried it. The snow is just way too compact. Vaishak and Raju also checked for it, but we've got no luck finding it. So maybe we'll just end up putting the Christmas tree branches again. So guys, after a few minutes, really happy to announce we've completed our little guy. Look at him. He's just on to take the cold on. Look at him. He's smiling, he's vibing. So I'll say guys, GCC boys can do this. We can build up for a snowman. Isn't it right, Vaishak? GCC boys can pull this off. This is nothing. Isn't that right, Raju? GCC
Yes.
boys, snowman, easy, done. So yeah, I did have to sacrifice my beanie for it, but it is totally worth it. When you see how amazing our little guy looks, just look at that. He is rocking that beanie right now.